Welcome to our Kairntech video channel. In this channel we'll be doing a series of short videos that introduce you to our work, to the ideas behind our software, and to how it could be used to address your requirements. But before we'll dive into that, let's use this first issue to introduce you to ourselves, where we come from and what we do. So what's the deal? Why should I bother? When could Kairntech be interesting for me? Well, it is evident that many important business processes today require the analysis of large amounts of often complex documents. A scientist might constantly have to digest many scientific papers and studies to keep up to date with their field. A lawyer might have to analyze large volumes of laws or other types of documents such as contracts to be able to proceed on a case. Or a marketing expert might have to make sense of content sent from users about suggestions, complaints and requests. In these and many other scenarios, AI-powered natural language processing can bring essential efficiency gains, raise the quality and lower the costs and the time required for analysis. But applying AI can be a complex and demanding challenge. Not everyone who wants to apply AI on their processes is a data scientist or can understand and program AI software themselves. Often it is the lawyer, the biologist, the business analyst who needs AI support. And also often the necessary training data that is required to make AI work on your task does not exist. Instead, you may need to prepare the necessary volumes of labeled training data in order to solve your needs. And this can be time-consuming, error-prone, and often dull. And this is where Kairntech comes in. Kairntech is a young European software and service provider in the area of natural language processing and artificial intelligence. Kairntech was founded in December 2018 by a team of experts with many years of experience in the field from previous positions at Xerox, IBM, Temis, Inria and many others. At Kairntech we think that powerful NLP and AI algorithms can bring a lot to many of today's business processes. We facilitate the deployment of these methods by making them accessible to domain experts and business users who don't need to be data scientists or programmers themselves. We make the often dull and time-consuming tasks to create training data fast and efficient and often even fun. Still, what is coming out are components that are ready for industrial heavy-duty deployment. And of course, we are here to support our clients with consulting and professional services. Our logo, the cairn, can be seen as a metaphor. Like the cairn guides hikers through rough terrain in the mountains, we are here to guide our clients through the ups and downs of applying AI on their processes. After all, with the headquarters of Kairntech in Grenoble in the French Alps, some of us are serious mountain people. Many people think that the core task when applying AI is coding the next clever algorithm. But in reality it turns out that the question where the necessary data should come from that powers these algorithms often requires the largest efforts in a project. The Kairntech Sherpa has been designed from the ground up with these experiences in mind. It allows users to put their expertise to work while not having to worry about the details of machine learning. Instead, as they proceed working on the data in a simple user interface, the system constantly learns in the background, getting smarter and smarter. In the next videos, we will introduce you to the Kairntech Sherpa and how you can make it work for you. So that's it for a start. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content about NLP and AI. If you have questions, drop us a line at info@kairntech.com. And if you don't want to miss upcoming content, thanks for subscribing to our channel. Take care, stay safe, and see you next time.